Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted friends on Facebook. So just tap on the Facebook application and simply just move in the right bottom corner option is the menu. Scroll down, just finding settings and privacy and get in. And you'll be just finding the activity log if you just scroll down, and here you will see the activity log. So simply just tap on it easily, and you will be just finding the option is connections, who and how you will be connected with people. Just tap on it. So there are the option is friends. I will be just arrow of this down, and you will be just tap on it, removed friends. So just tap on it simply. So it will says that means you will be just removed a friend from your friend list. So here is the record, and if you just go back and if you just tap on receive friend request, so it will be just show you the log of that means if someone send you friend request and you will be just have to delete it. So this is all the record of these received friend requests that have been deleted. So in this way you will be just have to find and recover deleted friends on Facebook. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.